Hi, in this video we are diving into how to install DaVinci Resolve version 20 step by step. So whether you are a new user or upgrading from older version, this guide will walk you through on what you need to know. So head over to official DaVinci website, go to the download page. Here you will have the option of register and download or just download only. Let's go with the option of download only. Make sure you have enough space to accommodate this file size. It is roughly 8 GB. Once the download is complete, navigate to the download folder where it is saved and open it to begin the extraction process. You can extract contents on the same folder as well. Just a quick reminder, if you have a previous version installed, I recommend uninstalling it first. Use the control panel, or better yet, you can use a third-party software like Revo Uninstaller. It will completely remove the software, including the registry file, so you free up space and avoid conflicts during the installation of a new version. Once that is done, right click on the installer file and select run as administrator to launch the installation process. You will now be prompted to install, select the components you want to install. I suggest going with all of them to access all the new features coming with this version. From here now you can just follow the on-screen instructions. By clicking click next. You can as well read through the terms and conditions before you can agree with them, but once you read them, then just click next. The next thing is to select the installation location. I'll go with disk D and under program files. For my case, you can choose any folder you like. So under program files, I'll go ahead and create a subfolder. I can name it something like DaVinci Resolve version 20. Or simply DaVinci 20. This, if you arrange things like this, it helps you to stay organized. So the setup file is now copying files to your selected location, and the process is almost complete. And hey, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, now is the perfect time to do it. Hit that subscribe button and support the channel. That way you give back to the community as well. So as the installation process continues, once you see a black splash screen appears, that means that the installation is successful. You don't have any technicalities. Like this one here, you can see the black screen appears there. So just click finish to wrap everything up.
But if you encounter an error on launch, don't worry, we'll fix it together. You can get a license from Blackmagic through their official site. And if you need help with this step or the setup process, you reach me through elviscreatives@gmail.com. I offer support services to guide you through each step. After licensing step is complete, you open DaVinci Resolve and explore the new features that comes with it.
Keyframe editor. Then we also have voiceover recording. We have Blackmagic cloud folders. Then we have deep image compositing and several AI tools like AI Magic Mask, AI Audio Assistant, and then AI IntelliScript. So all these AI features can help to speed up your workflow dramatically. So you can take a moment and read through the release notes. Then once you're done, then click continue. Then start. When prompted, just allow DaVinci Resolve to access both private and public network. You may also need to allow some firewall permission. Just click allow access. So when you open old project files, you will be asked to upgrade them to a newer version. So if this tutorial helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the future tutorial as well. If you got a question, you can post them on the comment section and we'll see what to do. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.